cheap coal stocks, AREC stock and LTBR stocks. Are coal stocks good investments? Is a coal stock a good investment? So first of all, we know that currently we are facing an energy crisis. This is as a result of more than about 2 or 3 years ago of underinvestment in developing new crude oil fields, new oil rigs, because the investors of many of these oil giants have clamored and ensured that they start to pursue decarbonization, and that has affected the investment in developing new fields so that we can have enough resources at that hand at the moment. And then in the shale gas area as well, if you remember the war that went on, the spike and the drop in prices that has affected the smaller investors or the smaller operators of some of these fields. It has affected them, and then COVID as well. And then you also have the Iran issue. Iran has a huge amount of crude oil, and it has this sanction placed on it because of the nuclear issue it has. So these are some of the many issues that are affecting the energy resources, energy that have brought about the energy shock we are facing right now. And right now we can't even achieve our carbon goals as well if we don't have energy today, because we have to run, we have to walk first before we run. Right now we need energy to get to a decarbonized world, and we don't have it right now. There's a huge crisis right now. So some of the stocks we are looking at right now in this video is obviously, as I pointed out, AREC. Right now it's trading at $2.58. You can see the underlying trend for the last 10 trading sessions is a very bullish one. The stock has not really gained a lot as such during the last 10 trading sessions, but the momentum is there for the stock. You can see it has a relatively small float of 60.063 million shares. So this is the shares are outstanding. Then the float will even be smaller than that. And there's a news out there. You can see what's going on. The crisis has is hitting everybody, and now they are opening a new field or something like that. American Resources said Tuesday the 19th of October 2021 it has started engineering and planning works for the restart of its Wyoming County coal mining complexes in West Virginia, which the company acquired in 2018 for roughly $20 million. Includes an on-site carbon processing, rail load out and mineral reserve for underground mines and one surface mine. The company said it plans to fund the planning, development and expansion of the complex using its existing cash flow. So things are happening. We still need the dirty carbon to get to this carbon-free world we are trying to pursue and get there. So the underlying trend it shows that the stock appears to be improving within a longer-term upwards trend. Okay, so the underlying trend for the stock is an upward one. Even the underlying trend for the last 10 trading sessions is also a bullish one. So although it's presently below its 200-day moving average on the 52-week or the daily charts, that average is rising due to prior gains in AREC stock. So and I believe, what do we have here? The momentum is strongly bullish, okay, as investors pay high prices for shares, and the unbalanced volume indicator is positive, is bullish. The slope of indicators is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. So this is what's going on for our AREC stocks. So right away with Light Bridge LTBR trading at $8, and you can even see its own float, its shares outstanding is even far less, 6.598 million. So, and this one you can see this was on the 6th of October. It was trading at $4.87, and has since reached more than $8 right now. Yes, it's at $8 right now. So it's gradually trying to get to 100% of its value. Yes, gradually trying to get there. Over the last 10 trading sessions, all the indicators are strongly bullish in the 10-day and the daily model. You can see that it appears to be in a strong bullish trend. It's 200-day moving average is upward sloping in the MACD. Histogram is above zero and rising. Obviously, the momentum is strongly bullish as well. This means that investors have been actively purchasing shares and driving the price higher. The unbalanced zone indicators bullish. The slope of the indicators positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. You can see what's going on. And yes, these are some cheap stocks you can always have a look at. Put some small money there and see how things go. Small money amount there, nothing's gonna. Small money you can always ignore and forget. This in the immediate term, we're facing some energy crisis, and we still need energy to survive before we start pursuing the lofty goals of a carbon-free world. Okay, so see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.